Hey guys, Crazy Man YouTube here. Have you ever wanted to mod in GTA 5 on GameHub Mobile? If you do well, you picked the right video. You just need to download OpenIV and it works. Okay, let's get straight into the tutorial. Okay, here guys, what you need to do here is go to PC game settings for OpenIV. Then just click the translation params and set it to compatible. Because if you don't, you might get errors like this. Now let's launch OpenIV. Now for this, just click English so it's easy to understand and click continue. Now click I accept the terms of this agreement and then continue. Now here, just click continue and don't click run OpenIV after installation because you might get stuck loading on the screen. And now here, just click yes. Then wait for it to download. After it completed, just click close and back out. After you backed out of OpenIV, just go to PC game settings and container desktop. Now what you want to do here is wait for the file manager to load. Then just click OpenIV. Then click Windows. And wait for it to load. After it loaded, click your mods folder, but first click edit mode so you can edit it. Well, now open your mods folder, go to update, then click, then update, Now click common, then data, then find the DLC list, For here, all you want to do is copy the DLC list, XML, and paste it to the folder you want to put it in. To do that, do what I do. Right, click the DLC list, and then click Save Content like Export. Now find a folder on where you want to put it. After that, just click Open. Then click Refresh. Now there you go. Now just shut the container desktop down. But first, let's find a mod to put in. To find mods that are free, go to 5mods, which there is mods that are specifically for GTA 5 only. Now we will use a vehicle mod, which is easier to install and set up. For example, this NMAX bike. Just click download and click download again. Now wait for it to finish download. After it finished downloading, just go to your file manager. And cut the mod to your own folder. For me, I placed the mod here. Then paste it and extract it. Now if there is a README TXT, the owner might put an installation tutorial in there, so I recommend you to open it. Now here, just copy the mod folder, which is this one right here. Press copy, then paste it in your DLC packs. To find, go to mods, then update, then x64, then DLC packs. But wait, we are not done yet. All you want to do here is copy the name. Then go to the DLC list 0 and open it. You should use the Quick Edit app. Link is in the comments or the description. Now you should copy this one and paste it. After pasting it, replace the name that is in the middle to the name you copied of the mod. And save it. And now you want to go back to GameHub. Now go to PC Game Settings, then Container Desktop. Wait for it to load. Now go to your mods folder. But also don't forget to turn on edit mode. Go to update, then update, tap it. Then comment. And data. Now replace the DLC list with the one you edited. To replace, right-click the DLC list. Then click Replace. Now find the DLC list that you edited. After you found it, click and then click Open. Now check if it's the one you edited. To check it, just double tap. This is the one because it showed the mod that I put. Now let's launch the game and take a look if it works. Okay guys, the mod works. Damn guys, look at the detail. It's surprisingly realistic. Okay guys, that's all. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Crazy Man YouTube out.